And guess what's happening? How to Beem It for instant money transfers in Australia. Beem is a free digital wallet app in Australia that enables instant money transfers regardless of your bank. Here's how to get started. First of all, go ahead to your browser and search for Beem It App Store. And you can go ahead and click the Beem right here. And as you can see, it is not available in my country or region. But if it's available in your country, just go ahead and download the app. And make sure to sign up using your email, right, and phone number, and then create a unique username for easy transactions, and link your debit card or credit card, right, and then basically add Visa or Mastercard from any Australian bank, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna start making payments, right? Enter the recipient's username or mobile number. Okay, and then input that amount and confirm the transaction. Funds transfer instantly, and you can request money, splitting bills, and all that stuff. So no bank details needed for making any transactions, right? You can use usernames or mobile numbers, keeping bank info private. Okay, and there is no fees for payments or transfers. Beem simplifies basically the simplifies managing shared expenses and ensures quick, secure payments. It's a convenient tool for seamless financial interaction. So we will catch you in the next time.